Hello, hello! Welcome back to Side Hustle Strong. I'm your host, John Maz. This video will be talking about cryptocurrency and cryptocurrency mining. This is a follow-up video to one I made in early December of 2017 about how I mine Dogecoin. We have some new updates to some of our systems. We're working on a number of different projects, and I thought this would be a good time to fill you guys in. So today on the test bench, we're looking at the antminer L3 Plus running the Blissz version 1.02 firmware. I am very happy with this firmware update for a number of reasons. If we take a look at our miner configurations in our advanced settings, with this firmware update, you can see that we can now fine-tune the frequency this machine runs at, along with the voltage that is delivered to each board. Another great feature of this machine, or this firmware, is that I can now fine-tune my fan speed or completely shut the fans off. And that is very important to me, considering that this machine is a liquid-cooled machine. It is actually a wireless liquid-cooled machine. It is sitting in an aquarium filled with mineral oil. Now our temperatures are running pretty steady right now at about 75. I'd like to see them lower. The lower they are, the more comfortable I feel increasing the voltage and the frequency, giving us a higher hashing rate. Currently we're sitting at 678 megahash per second, and that's fairly good for this machine. Typically these machines are running the default firmware will run about 504 to, I believe, 513 megahash per second. So that's a pretty significant increase in hashing power, considering that I have a number of chips on this test machine that are dead. So let's take a look at where this machine is being pointed. Now this is prohashing.com. Prohashing.com is an awesome mining pool. You can point a number of different miners at it, a number of different algorithms, and you can actually choose how they pay you out, or what your reward will be paid out in. So that's an awesome feature that I like. You can also track your electricity. You can still solo mine with over 300 coins, and they try to follow and stick to all of the U.S. regulations. You know, being here in the U.S., I do have to follow IRS regulations. And you can also donate to charities, which I think is awesome, which is a big deal. Let's take a look at the dashboard. So here's our dashboard. Again, this machine just turned on, so it's still calculating our hash rate. But what we have it set to do, or what ProHashing default settings are for script, or for at least this machine, it will mine the most profitable coin on that script network. So you'll see it change from Litecoin to Digibit and so on, and it will mine, you know, the most profitable coin at any given time. And I think that's phenomenal. If you have older machines and you're having trouble mining, say, Litecoin, because the difficulty level is too high, you're just not seeing the profits versus your power consumption, ProHashing is an awesome solution. It helps increase your profitable payout and you know, cut down on your overhead quite a bit. So we take a look here at our live balance. I did just empty this out just to make this video so we could share with you guys. You can see here that some of my payouts come between Litecoin, Bitcoin, and our favorite Dogecoin. You can mine strictly one currency on this pool, so you can set your miner to only mine Dogecoin or only mine Litecoin and Dogecoin, considering that they are a pair mined together typically. But I just have it set to mine the most profitable coin, and I choose my payout as Dogecoin. You look over here at your settings. Oh, love you. It's my daughter in the background watching Paw Patrol. So we take a look here quickly at our settings. You can see that 98% of my payouts are going to be delivered to me in Dogecoin 1.3 and Litecoin. As long as you have a wallet address for that cryptocurrency you wish to get paid out in, you can get paid out in it. Take a look here. I'm going to try to skim through this fairly quickly so you guys can see what we got going on. There's Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin Private, Blackcoin, Blastcoin, Canada eCoin, Digibit, EOS, Ethereum Classic, you know, and the list goes on and on. Litecoin, Lindacoin. So you can choose from a number of coins to receive your payout in. And I did mention that if you are US based miner, they do follow a lot of the IRS or Internal Revenue Service regulations. You can actually fill out a 1099 so you can claim all of your earnings, and they can obviously take out their taxes. So that being said, you know, you can always switch over and use Coinbase. For Dogecoin, I have it sent to a Coinami wallet, which seems to work out for me. Coinami is a mobile-based wallet that's right on my phone. I can see when I get my payouts, I get notifications. So once my system is up and running, I really don't have to log into the computer. I get notifications on my phone when I get a deposit, you know, and I know everything is up and running. You know, these systems are constantly evolving. These systems are constantly updating. This is a growing market. This is a growing technology. So this is my opinion. These are options that I'm using. I'm not saying that you have to go out and jump right on to what I'm doing. Make the decisions on your own. Choose and decide what is going to be best for your area where you're mining or what equipment you're using to mine with. You don't even have to mine. You can just, you know, log into Coinbase, use the link in the description down below, sign up and buy cryptocurrency right there. So it's all up to you guys, you know, at the end of the day. This channel is about the journey and some information that I'm going to share with you along the way. I hope that you like this video. If you would like to see more like this video, please comment in the description down below. You can also follow us on Facebook. Our new Facebook group is Side Hustle Strong. If you have any questions or thoughts or hustles that you wish for me to discuss or look into, please, you know, leave us a comment, like, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. And stay Side Hustle Strong.